What if I told you that one of the most important parts inside your phone is secretly wearing makeup, not for style, but to survive? Every day, billions of electronic devices around the world heat up, vibrate, fall on the floor, collect dust, and still somehow keep working. But hidden inside all of them is a strange green layer that's doing far more than people realize. And here's the crazy part. If engineers removed that green coating for even a few seconds during manufacturing, entire devices could instantly destroy themselves. That green board inside your laptop or TV remote looks simple, but it's actually one of the most carefully engineered objects humans mass produce. And the story of why it became green involves toxic chemicals, factory disasters, microscopic mistakes, and even human eyesight. Most people think the green part is the actual circuit board. It's not. Underneath that green surface is a maze of ultra-thin copper lines, almost like tiny highways carrying electricity between components. Some of these pathways are thinner than a strand of human hair. If two lines accidentally touch, even for a split second, the entire device can fail. So manufacturers cover the copper with a protective layer called solder mask. Think of it like insulation paint for electronics. During production, molten metal called solder is sprayed onto the board at high temperatures to connect components. Without protection, the liquid metal would spread everywhere like spilled water and short-circuit the entire system. But here's where things get interesting. Early circuit boards didn't all look green. In fact, some were brown, transparent, or even reddish. The problem was, technicians inspecting them kept making mistakes. Back in the 1960s and 70s, circuit boards weren't checked by AI cameras. Human workers had to stare at thousands of tiny metal connections for hours under bright factory lights. And scientists discovered something surprising. The human eye can detect more shades of green than almost any other color. That meant workers could spot cracks, scratches, and soldering mistakes much faster on green boards than on black or red ones. Factories suddenly saw fewer defects, fewer failed electronics, and less eye strain among workers. But green survived for another reason most people never hear about. Heat. Circuit boards get hot. Really hot. Inside gaming PCs, power supplies, or industrial machines, temperatures can rise fast. Engineers found that green solder masks handled heat and chemical stress better during mass manufacturing. The formula became incredibly reliable, and once factories optimized their machines for green production, changing colors became expensive. And this created a strange domino effect. Since green boards were produced more than any other color, the chemicals became cheaper. Because they became cheaper, more companies used them. And because more companies used them, the industry improved the formula even further. Eventually, green became the default color of electronics worldwide. But modern companies sometimes break the rule. High-end gaming motherboards now use black circuit boards because they look premium. Some aerospace electronics use blue boards. White boards are used in LED lighting systems because they reflect light better. And military systems sometimes use unusual colors to quickly identify classified hardware. Still, these colors come with hidden problems. Black boards are harder to inspect because tiny shadows hide defects. White boards get dirty easily and can discolor under heat. Red and blue boards can make certain cracks harder to detect during quality checks. So even today, when robots inspect most electronics instead of humans, green remains the safest option. It's cheaper, easier to manufacture, easier to repair, and easier to inspect under magnification. But the most fascinating part is this. The green color became so iconic that people now emotionally associate it with technology itself. When movies want to show advanced electronics, they almost always show glowing green circuit boards. Even though modern boards can be any color, green still feels futuristic because our brains have connected that color with computers for decades. And next time you open an old calculator, a broken phone, or a laptop motherboard, look closely at that green surface. You're not just looking at a random design choice. You're looking at decades of engineering, psychology, chemistry, manufacturing economics, and human biology, all fused into one thin protective layer that quietly keeps the modern world alive.